My first book of farm animals. Cock-a-doodle-doo! The rooster wakes the farm animals every morning. Point to the farm animals in the picture. All these different animals live on a farm. Sheep, hen, horse, cat, rooster. Look at each animal and say its name. Cow, goat, dog, pig, duck. The farmer feeds the animals every morning. What are these animals having for breakfast? Each farm animal lives in one of these houses. Hen house, kennel. Say the name of each home and the animal that lives in it. Pig pen, pond, stable. This naughty animal is eating the farmer laundry. Do you know what the animal is called? Can you point to another goat in the picture? Pigs have short, curly tails. Look at these tails and say who they belong to. Do you know what noise these farm animals make? Cluck, baa, meh, oink. Try to make noises too. Quack, woof, moo. There are lots of baby animals in this picture. Calf, chicks, lamb, puppy. Say each one's name out loud. Kid, foal, piglet, ducklings. This is a baby sheep. It is called a lamb. Find the lamb's mommy. What is the farmer doing? Cows give us fresh milk. Which of these animals gives us wool? Hens lay eggs. How many hens can you see? The farmer is collecting an egg for his breakfast. Do you like eggs for your breakfast too? Can you point to the animal that doesn't belong on the farm? Which animal is your favorite? The end.